Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anwar Rizki. I'm with the group 6. Today I will try to answer some questions from the students in the MIS classes for the group 6 about the chapter 7. So the first one is from Magda Winata. What is the correlation between the chapter and the case study? The correlation in the chapter is talking about the telecommunications, internet, and wireless technology, which the case study is talking about three model business that in three biggest company. In the study case, the three company were Apple, Google, and also Microsoft. For Apple playing the biggest part of in mobile device. It is a telecommunication that were included with internet, and also for today that the Apple device include with wireless technology. The next one is the Google. The Google playing part on web search and also personal account or like Gmail or etc. And the Google's become an application inside the mobile device or the computer, which is an application that helping the user for using telecommunication and using the internet as the we could use Google by internet. And the last was Microsoft. Microsoft playing part on the operating system of the mobile device and also an operating system on the computer. So the Microsoft device could be easily operated, and Microsoft also had an application of computing words, code, and draw a design. For example, application it is that Microsoft Word and also Microsoft Excel. Next question from Alma Fitria. Tell me about the advantage and disadvantage of live service model. The answer is for the advantage, the company will not treat you any difference from if you are a customer that spend $1 or a customer that spend $1 million. The company will not treat you any different. They will treat you an equal. And also, the company will try to provide a customer within an option of a level of service or a product that suitable the customer needs. But the disadvantages that the company will not offer you, will not offer the customer with the same level of the service that the customer deserve. Why? Because the customer itself didn't spending much money to the company. And the last question is from Sabila Rizki. Can you briefly explain about the difference of the internet, extranet, and website and its application? So the answer is the intranet is a private network. It's operated by the large company or other organization which use internet technologies, but it is installed from the global internet. And for the extranet is intranet that is accessible to some people from the outside of the company, or is possibly shared with more than one organization. For example, of intranet, it could be a chat, a social media for chatting and messaging, and also an email, or also an bloggers. And for the extranet example, I will possibly think about SharePoint. And for a website, also written as a web site. It's a collection of web page that related content that is defined in a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Notable example is like Wikipedia or Google.com and also Amazon.com. I think that's all for today. Thank you for the answer. And I think this brief explain brief answer about your question should be enough.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now move to the next question and answer for the chapter 8 part. So there's two questions, which is from Muhammad Arif Naufal and from Faidal Akmal. The first question from Muhammad Arif Naufal is it better for us to have our own IT department to avoid cyber attack inside the company? Or is it better for us to choose third party outside the company who can handle cyber attack better in terms, responsiveness, and economical benefit? So the answer for that question is, in terms of responsiveness, better solution will be using third party outside the company, as they could be more reliable that the IT depart on our company. And in economical benefits, I think it depends on how big and where the company playing their operation. If they have less data, that could disadvantage their company if lose, then having an IT department would better. And so if they have a complex data that every single data could be a profit or it's too valuable, then as you guess, rely on third-party IT department or having an expert IT engineer on their own IT department. Therefore, if we look it with both perspective, then having their own IT department and train, organized, collecting their own IT engineer personnel will become the best option out here. Since third-party IT department, whether they were reliable or not, the price will be pretty high, and a company itself should have their own IT because because IT department not only working on cyber attack, but also in terms of connection, such as internet, extranet, Wi-Fi, or telecommunication. Therefore, inside out of the company, also working on the maintenance of data that's stored inside the company. So that's our best answer for Muhammad Arif Naufal question. And now the last or the second question from Faidal Akmal is, what is the parameter of secure in a company? Is it an uncurtain things or how? So for that question, the answer is secure in a company could be security which affecting member safety in personal life, communication, data between members, or data of the company and customer. It also affecting the prolong of company life to have less data leak that could be seen by their rival and making the company lose as their rival could use it against them. And yes, it is absolutely certain things, since security is one of the main vital structure that should be considered of the most by the head of the company. So that is our best answer for Faidal question. So thank you so much for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.